Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 13. What do Y and B stands for in YAC and BAC used in Human Genome Project? Mention their role in the project. Y और B क्या stand करता है और उनका role क्या है? Write the percentage of total human genome that codes for proteins and percentage of discovered genes whose functions are known as observed during HGP. Expand SNP identified by the scientist in HGP. सबसे पहले Y is yeast and B is bacterial. रोल है इनका ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट में दे वर्क एज अ वेक्टर फॉर क्लोनिंग फॉरेन डीएनए. लेस देन 2% जीनोम कोड करता है फॉर प्रोटीन. परसेंटेज ऑफ डिस्कवर्ड जीन whose functions are known are observed during HGP, which is less than 50%. Out of 2%, 50% से कम का फंक्शन पता है. SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphism. This was question number 13.